Hi everyone! So I can't quite figure out what this week's sale on Jackson's is, but I'm going to assume it's a sale of Raphael and Isabey brushes, linked in the description box below. I won't go through them because I know a lot of people aren't interested. However, allow me to bring your attention to some new products on Jackson's, as well as some other little things. First up, Jackson's finally has this Raphael travel brush set. It's a set of 3 travel brushes that comes in a leather pouch. The 3 brushes include a soft aqua quill mop brush, small soft aqua round brush, and a precision round brush. These are all made of synthetic bristles. Not only that, each travel brush is also available open stock. Next, the bullet journal. Now, I won't talk much about this as it's more for journaling than for art, but I was so excited to see that Jackson's now has them available. And for those who have wanted to try Baohong paper, here's a sample pack. You get 3 sheets, each of hot press, cold press, and rough, total of 9 sheets. And then I noticed some watercolors on sale. There's the beloved Roman Schmal, M. Graham, Isaro, Gallo, and Lutia. And now this last one is a bit of a curveball for you. And this one I do need to explain. So if you're familiar with Shinhan PWC's watercolor range, you'll know that they don't offer a cobalt teal, cobalt turquoise light color. I mean, they do have a turquoise blue light, but it's not the same or vibrant as the actual color made by the cobalt pigment PB28 or PG50. However, their designer's gouache range has cobalt turquoise made with PB28. I have this tube myself and can confirm that this is definitely worth your money. Alright, that's pretty much it for today. As always, thank you so much for watching everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.